Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to remove Instagram collaboration, and all you have to do is to launch the Instagram application. So you're going to tap on your profile, and let's say you wanted to tag somebody by, that will post, tapping on the share icon, then tapping on the three dots actually, then tapping on edit, and then let's say you wanted to tag a person, so you're going to tap on this icon that is here. You are going to tap on the post, and then you're going to write a user. So let's say I wanted to tag this person. So I'm going to tap on it, and then I'm going to tap on OK. And then I'm going to tap on the blue tick. From there, if I wanted to remove the person that I have collaborated with in this photo, all I have to do is to tap on the three dots, going to tap on edit, and then going to tap on the tag. From there, I am going to tap on the X that is here, and their password will no longer be there. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.